Seattle, 3 federal appeals court judges who blocked President Donald Trump's second travel ban earlier this year had some skeptical questions about his third and latest set of restrictions on travelers from 6 mostly Muslim nations during oral arguments on Wednesday. 9th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals judges Ronald Gould, Richard Pius and Michael Hawkins heard arguments in Seattle on Hawaii's challenge to the ban. The hearing came just 2 days after the U.S. Supreme Court announced that it was allowing the restrictions to go into effect at least until the Ninth Circuit panel and their colleagues on the Richmond, Virginia-based Fourth Circuit had a chance to rule on separate lawsuits against the ban. Debate over the restrictions has centered on whether they constitute a legitimate exercise of national security powers or the Muslim ban Trump promised during his campaign. But much of Wednesday's arguments focused on a narrower point: whether the president satisfied immigration law in issuing his latest travel order, which targets 150 million potential travelers from Chad, Iran, Libya, Somalia, Syria, and Yemen. In June, Gould, Pius and Hawkins blocked Trump's second travel ban, saying he had not made a required finding that the entry of people affected by that measure would be detrimental to U.S. interests. Neil Katyal, the former U.S. Solicitor General representing Hawaii, insisted that Trump had failed again and did not have authority to issue his latest travel restrictions. "They have not made the findings this court called for," Katyal said. "They came back with 0. Deputy Assistant Attorney General Hashim Mupin noted that the government had conducted a 90-day, multi-agency review, after which Trump determined that certain countries do not provide enough information to sufficiently vet their citizens' backgrounds.